Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today we are going to see about the topic function. Okay? Function. Function f such that a related to b. Okay? Here function is a relation in which no two ordered pair have same first element. Each element in set A has one and only image in set B. Okay, it is the statement for function. Okay, but we can understand by mathematically. Here the function first letter f, okay, such that a related to b. Here for example it is a, here b. Okay, two sets. Okay, for a here 1 2 3 4, for b here 5 6 7 8. Okay, here it is set a, here set b, here it is b. Okay, in set a and set b, here it is a small small b. Okay, for every a belongs to capital A, for every b belongs to capital B. Okay, now here for example relation are equal to a comma b such that b equal to a plus 5. Okay, first I am taking if a equal to 1. Okay, first element, therefore b equal to 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Next, if a equal to 2, b equal to 2 plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 5 equal to 7. If a equal to 3, b equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Here for b belongs to capital B. Okay, but if you take a equal to 4, therefore 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Here 9 is, wait, a equal to 4, b equal to 4 plus 5. Here 9 not belongs to R. Okay, relation R, because here up to 8 only it is there. Okay, now you can plot capital R relation, our ordered pair 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9. Here it is not there, therefore up to this. Okay, here it is not included. Okay, next Here this is nothing but pre-image. Okay, first A, here it is pre-image. Second B, here known as image. Okay, here this is nothing but domain. Okay, here it is nothing but co-domain. Okay, here in the statement, here it is clearly said that no two ordered pair have same first element. Okay, each element in set A, here it is the set A, has one and only one image. Okay, here see, for one here it is 6, therefore you have to 1 related to 6. Okay, next 2 comma 7. 2 comma 7 is nothing but here 2 is related to 7. Okay, here this is known as arrow diagram. Okay, next 3 comma 8, therefore 3 is related to 8. Okay, here every element in set A has one and only one image. Okay, here it is for 1 here 6, for 2 7, 3 8. Okay, one has only one image. Okay, can you understand? Okay, this is the basic concept. Okay, next here how to find the same, how to find domain, codomain, you already studied in class 11th. Okay, here range, I am just recalling it. Okay, here it is nothing but domain equal to here first element is nothing but domain. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, codomain is nothing but whole set B. See here, whole set B equal to codomain. Therefore 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Okay, whole set B. ठीक है, and range का मतलब here images. Okay, in our ordered pair the images is known as range. Therefore 6 comma 7 comma 8. ठीक है, I hope it is clear. Okay, next how you can find it is a function or not. Okay, here for it should be a function, here a b. Okay, two conditions. First here 1 2 3 4, here 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, I am taking relation r equal to set a comma b. Here it is small a small b, such that b equal to a plus 5. I am taking same example. Therefore here it will become same 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9. Okay, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9. Here it is 4 comma 9 is there. See here, for 1 related to 6, for 2 related to 7, for 3 related to 8, for 4 related to 9. Okay, here 1 2 3 4. Okay, every element of A is related to B with only one. Okay, two pre-images. Therefore here it is a function. Okay, it is a function. Therefore if the condition here, okay, here it is 4, it is not filled. Okay, 9, here 9 is not there. Therefore like this function I am taking same example, A B, 1 2 3 4, here 5 6 7 8. The same example for 1 related to 6, 2 related to 7, 3 related to 8. Therefore here 4 is not filled. I am correct? 4 is not filled. Therefore in the domain it should be filled with every term. Okay, in set B. But here 4 is not filled. Therefore 4 not belongs to R. Therefore here it is not a function. Okay, here it is not a function. Okay, next A B, here 1 2 3 4, A B C D. Here relation are equal to 1 related to A, okay, 2 related to B, 2 related to C, 3 related to B D, and 4 related to D. Therefore here our required ordered pair is 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 2 comma C, 3 comma D, 4 comma D. Okay, therefore here in the statement I am said that no two ordered pair have same first element. See here, here also 2 is present, here also 2 is present. In the first element A, pre-image should not have same, okay, element. Here also 2, here also 2. Therefore here it is the same element in the first pre-image. Okay, therefore it is not a function. Okay, this is how you want to find whether it is a function or not a function. Okay, here you have, now you clearly find how to find it is a function or not a function. Therefore there are types of function. Next, टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन का मतलब ये फर्स्ट 1 फंक्शन 1 का फंक्शन, दूसरा नेम इंजेक्टिव. ओके, इंजेक्टिव फंक्शन. ठीक है, देयरफॉर हियर A B, here 1 2 3 4, A B C D. ठीक है, here 1 A related to A, 2 related to B, 3 related to C, 4 related to D. Therefore, here every element in set A belongs to capital A, every element in set B belongs to capital B, has one and only one image in set B. Okay, therefore here it is 1 function. Okay, otherwise see here A B 1 2 3 4, here A B C D, here 1 related to A, 2 related to C, 3 related to B, 4 related to D. Therefore here also 1 is related to A. Therefore every element in A has only one image in set B. Therefore here 1 function. Okay. Okay. Next here next on to फंक्शन, on to फंक्शन का मतलब another name surjective. ठीक है, here taking example A B, ठीक है, 1 2 3 4, A B C D. Here 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C, 4 is related to D. Therefore here in on to you have to check the codomain. Listen carefully. In on to function you have to check the codomain. Okay, codomain should filled by every term, no extra term should be there. Okay, here A B C D 4 terms are filled. Okay, therefore here it is on to function. ठीक है, suppose here the case 1 2 3 4, ठीक है, here capital A capital B, A B C D. Here 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to B, 4 is related to C. Here you have to check the on to condition. On to का मतलब you have to check the set B, मतलब codomain you have to check. I am checking the codomain now. A is filled, okay, B also filled, but see here it is not related to A. Therefore here it is not on to. ठीक है, I hope you understood. Okay, next many to one function. ठीक है, here A B 1 2 3 4, ठीक है, here A B C D, ठीक है. Many to one मतलब here 1 is related to B, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to C, 4 is related to C. Therefore many 1 or 2 is many. Okay, therefore many to 1. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, therefore you should write many to one function. ठीक है, while checking one or many to one, you have to see the domain only. ठीक है, okay. Now I am giving some example. Okay, A B. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4. Here A B C D E. Okay, 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to D, 4 is related to C. Now you have to check whether it is 1 1 or many 2. How you will check? Here, 1 in set A belongs to capital A should have only one image. Okay, therefore it is all having only one image. Therefore here it is 1 1 function. Okay, I hope you understood. Next, you have to check whether it is onto or it is not onto, means its name is into. Okay, here you have to check. For finding onto or not, you have to check the codomain. Okay, in codomain only one element is not related to A, therefore here it is not onto. Not onto का मतलब into function. ठीक है, okay. Next, last example, A B. Here A 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, for B A B C. ठीक है, 1 related to A, 2 related to B, 3 related to C, 4 also related to C. First condition, you have to check 1 1 or many to 1. Therefore here in element A belongs to capital A, element B belongs to capital B, have only one image in set B. But here it is two element. Okay, you have to check the what domain. Here two element is related to one element, therefore here many to one function. ठीक है, next, here you should find whether it is onto or into. Okay, onto का मतलब you have to check the codomain. ठीक है, for checking it is codomain A B C, therefore every element in B related to capital B is filled. Okay, therefore here it is onto function. ठीक है, I hope you all understood. Okay, for 1 1 you should check the domain. Okay, for onto you have to check codomain. Okay, domain is nothing but what? Pre-image. Okay, codomain is nothing but what? It is an image. Okay, okay, I hope you all understood. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. धन्यवाद. ठीक है, थैंक यू.